Hello everyone, welcome to TechMix. In this video, I will show you how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher authentication error. So guys, for the first step, make sure that your game is closed and it's not running. Whether you're playing on Steam or in the Rockstar Games Launcher, make sure that your game is closed. For the next step, if you have the Rockstar Games Launcher open, then you want to close it. In the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the arrow. If you see Rockstar Games Launcher, right-click on it and then click on Exit. For the next step, you want to go to Search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now, once we're on this, on the left-hand side, you want to click on this PC. Now you want to find your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double-click on it and then click on Users. And then click on your username. And then click on the Documents folder. And then click on Rockstar Games. And then click on Social Club. You want to find the cache folder. Delete this folder. After you delete the cache folder, you can now launch your game. Whether that be GTA 5, Red Dead Redemption, or just any Rockstar game,